What's up YouTube? Dave the Phone Guy back with another video. Today I have something special. Something that's been delayed for quite a while. Something because of the Chinese New Year and then the coronavirus delayed shipment even longer. But I finally have it. I finally have the Amazfit Powerbuds. I've been waiting for these. Waiting. The wait is over. Now, we're gonna pop the box, check out what's inside, and do what I do, do what we do, just do things. Let's get started. As you can see on the box here, Amazfit Powerbuds. Most of the writing is in Chinese, so can't really go over the features with you, but let's go ahead and crack this box open. Oh, another box. A box inside of a box. Here we go. Are you ready? I get to see it. Bam! Open the top. Very nice presentation in here. In the top of the case, you have wraps that go around your ears to help secure. So let's go through the rest of the box here. See what else we have. You have your get start guide and whatnots. USB-C to USB-A, pretty standard. And this, I would assume, would be some additional ear tips. All right, man, this thing's heavy. This has some weight to it. Feels nice too. It's got like a plasticky, rubbery, it's hard to describe, but the texture is really, really nice. So you can see here in the back, USB charging port. All right, let's see how they feel. So this is the right ear. Ooh, that's snug. Left ear, not bad. Feels snug right off the bat. So let me put these back in. Let's get this paired up. Let's see. Amazfit Powerbuds. All right, we're paired. So I'm gonna open up YouTube Music and we're gonna start there. We're gonna see how they sound. And then next, we'll see how the mic works. You know, introduce a little bit of ambient noise and we'll do things. So let's go. Ooh, I like how they feel. Super snug, guys, but not too snug. All right, here we go. Highs are super, super crisp. Uh-oh, here comes the bass. Ooh, that's satisfying. Woo. Oh, I can hear everything while I'm listening, guys. I have to say, this case, even though it feels nice, the materials, it's quite large. I'm not sure about its pocketability. These things are the real deal. So check it out, check it out. These things sound really great. A few videos ago, I said that the Anker Liberty 2 Pros blew my mind. Let me grab those. All right, so I have the Soundcore Liberty 2 Pros, and I wanna pop these in real quick. If you look, the design is very similar. The Amazfit's definitely a little more compact. I really want to see how they sound in comparison. So let's pop these suckers in. I definitely like the fit of the Amazfits right away. I could tell they have a better feel, but let's go. Whoa! Alright, I only put them in a couple of seconds. These Anker Soundcore Liberty 2 Pros, these are the champs right here, man. These things sound phenomenal still, but that's not to take away from the Amazfits. So the one downfall of the Soundcores was the mic test. They weren't the best. They were good, they weren't the worst, but they weren't the best. So let's see how the Amazfit stands up to the mic test. So let's do this. I'm gonna pop these suckers back in.
All right, guys, this is the sound of my voice using the Amazfit Powerbuds earphones. Let me know in the comments below how they sound. I'm going to go ahead and introduce the ambient noise now. So, how do they sound now that the ambient noise is running in the background? Does it sound like it's able to block out most of the noise and you're still able to hear my voice clearly? Because obviously that's the most important thing. You should still be able to hear something, but is my voice the prominent thing that you hear with most of the noise being blocked in the background?
So that's the end of the mic test portion. Let's stop that, stop that. What did I think? I think these feel nice in my ears. I think they sound good, solid sound. I think the case is a little bit too big, at least from my liking. Maybe if you carry a bag with you all the time, that might work for you, but I don't. I pocket everything, and I usually keep 3 or 4 things, including the earphones, in my right pocket most days. I would have to imagine that this is gonna be a little bit too big, but we'll see. I'm gonna put it through the course, and I'm gonna do all my testing. I'm gonna use it for a few weeks, and I will report back my final verdict. So until then, you guys know the drill. If I helped you in any way and you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, give it a thumbs up. See what I did there? And if you haven't already, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you'll get notified of my next video. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace!